Hey guys, hope you all doing great. I'm back with another video of National International Affairs. To get the PDF link of this video, you can also join me on Telegram group named Encode Maths, where you can get the PDF file of this video. So let's start the video.
Current Affairs by E.R. Vivek Gupta. Highlights. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Anurag Thakur announces a month-long nationwide Clean India Drive. Ministry of Tourism will launch Nidhi 2.0 and India Tourism Statistics at a glance. 2021 in World Tourism Day celebration event tomorrow. Indian naval ships and aircraft stand by for rescue and relief. OPS cyclonic storm Gulab PM to launch Ayushman Bharat digital mission on 27 September. China declares all cryptocurrency transactions illegal. Quad leaders Summit 2021 interactive digital airspace map for drone operations released. Quick sets up Odisha's first Silk Yarn production center. HP world's highest EV charging station open. PM Modi extols virtues of river conservation on World River Day. The government will launch a month-long nationwide Clean India drive to clean waste, mainly single-use plastic, from 1st to 31st October 2021. The Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Anurag Thakur said that as we observe Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to celebrate 75 years of India's independence, it is our resolve to create a plastic-free India. The Ministry of Tourism is organizing an event to celebrate World Tourism Day 2021 on 27 September 2021 in New Delhi, which has been designated by the UNVTO as a day to focus on tourism for inclusive growth. Speaker of Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla will be chief guest of the event. During tomorrow's event, Nidhi 2.0, National Integrated Database of Hospitality Industry, and India Tourism Statistics, at a glance, 2021 will be launched. As the cyclonic storm Gulab formed in the Bay of Bengal is expected to make landfall between North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coast in the next 12 hours, the Indian Navy is closely monitoring the movement of the cyclonic storm. Ayushman Bharat digital mission will create a seamless online platform that will enable interoperability within the digital health ecosystem. The key components of Ayushman Bharat digital mission include a health ID for every citizen that will also work as their health account, to which personal health records can be linked and viewed with the help of a mobile application. Central Bank of China has declared all the cryptocurrency transactions illegal on 23 September 2021. Crypto crackdown has opened up gates for China to introduce its own digital currency. China's own digital currency is already in the pipeline. It will allow the central government of China to monitor transactions. Cryptocurrency is a binary data that have been designed to work as a medium of exchange. Here, individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger which is existing in the form of a computerized database. The first in-person meeting of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, Quad, of India, Australia, the United States and Japan, was held in Washington on 24 September 2021. It is a strategic dialogue between India, United States, Japan and Australia. This dialogue was initiated in 2007 by Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe. It was paralleled by joint military exercise called Exercise Malabar. Ministry of Civil Aviation released an interactive digital airspace map for flying drones that demarcates areas into different zones for flying drones across India. To fly the drone and for drone operations, interactive digital across India. To fly the drone and for drone operations, interactive digital airspace map divides the zones into three categories, namely green, yellow and red. Green zone is the airspace up to 400 feet. This zone has not been designated as red or yellow zone. Yellow zone is the airspace above 400 feet in the designated green zone. Red zone is the area within which drones can be operated with the permission of central government. Khadi and Village Industries Commission, QUIC, has started a historic initiative to set up first ever Tussar Silk Yarn Production Center at Chaudwar in Cuttack district in Odisha. Tussar silk is one of the finest varieties of silk. World's highest EV charging station was opened at Kaja town, which is located in of Lahore and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. Along with the EV charging station, two women drove electric vehicles from Manali to Kaja to promote a clean and green environment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extolled the virtues of river conservation and greeted the nation on World Rivers Day today. The Prime Minister stressed that the endeavor of cleaning rivers can be undertaken with collective effort and support. He said public awareness and mass movement have a major role to play in keeping rivers clean. The Prime Minister drew people's attention to the special auction being held of gifts presented to him by people. The money that accrues through this auction is dedicated solely to the Namami Gange campaign.